Why cloud storage matters for teams.
Cloud storage has transformed the way teams work together. It allows members to access, share, and update files from anywhere, enhancing collaboration and productivity. By using cloud-based solutions, teams can avoid confusion over document versions, reduce reliance on email attachments, and ensure important files aren't lost or locked behind individual devices.
Choosing the right cloud solution.
Selecting a suitable cloud storage platform is vital. Consider factors like storage limits, security features, collaboration tools, and integration with other apps your team uses. Popular options include Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox. Focus on platforms that support real-time editing, file recovery, and customizable access permissions for smooth teamwork.
Organizing files for easy access.
A clear folder structure saves time and reduces confusion. Create broad folders by project or department, then add subfolders for specific tasks or dates. Use consistent and descriptive file names. Establish naming conventions across the team to help everyone quickly locate and identify documents. Regularly archive or delete outdated files to keep the system clutter-free.
Sharing and permissions best practices.
Control over access and sharing keeps files safe and teamwork efficient. Set permissions based on roles, such as view only or edit access. Always double-check before sharing sensitive documents. Most platforms let you invite team members by email or generate shareable links. Periodically review who has access and update permissions as team roles or projects change.
Staying productive with collaborative tools.
Leverage built-in collaboration features like comments, real-time editing, and task assignments. These tools help teams communicate directly within documents and stay on track. Notifications keep everyone updated about changes. Consider integrating calendars, chat apps, or project management tools with your cloud storage for seamless collaboration and better productivity.